Welcome back to Factastic 7. Today, we're taking an extra long plunge into the animal kingdom. Buckle up for 14 fascinating facts that will make you see the animal world in a whole new light. Let's get started.
Fact 1. Dolphins have names. Dolphins are the chatty socialites of the sea. And yes, they do have names. Distinct whistles used to identify each other. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. These oceanic masterminds also engage in conversations, gossip, and sometimes even strategic planning. Research shows that dolphins even use signature whistles when one of their friends is out of sight, much like shouting someone's name across a crowded room.
Fact 2. Giraffes take power naps. Giraffes, the gentle giants of the African savanna, have mastered the art of the power nap. They clock in just 30 minutes of sleep per day, usually in brief 5-minute naps. A giraffe's heart has to work extra hard to pump blood up that long neck, which is why giraffes keep their sleep sessions brief.
Fact 3. Octopuses are Houdinis. Not only are octopuses masters of camouflage, but they're also the Houdinis of the sea. With no bones in their body, an octopus can squeeze through gaps as small as a coin. If an octopus gets stuck, it can also detach and regenerate a limb, because apparently, one escape plan isn't enough.
Fact 4. Penguins gift pebbles. Penguins really know how to woo their mates, and they do it in style, by offering pebbles. The male penguin embarks on an epic quest to find the perfect pebble to present to the female. Penguins are also excellent co-parents. After pebble stealing and nest building, both parents take turns keeping the egg warm. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Fact 5. Axolotls are superheroes. The axolotl isn't just cute, it's practically a real-life superhero. This incredible amphibian can regenerate almost any part of its body, from limbs to spinal cords, and even portions of its brain. It's like having Wolverine-level healing powers, but without the claws. Scientists are fascinated by axolotls because they don't scar when they regenerate, which could lead to breakthroughs in human medicine.
Fact 6. Tardigrades are indestructible. If there's one creature you'd want with you during an apocalypse, it's the tardigrade. These tiny creatures, also known as water bears, can survive just about anything: extreme temperatures, dehydration, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Tardigrades have been found in volcanoes, glaciers, and even survived on the moon during a space experiment. They can enter a hibernation-like state called cryptobiosis, where they lose almost all water in their bodies and essentially pause life until conditions improve.
Fact 7. Hummingbirds fly like jets. Hummingbirds are like the jet fighters of the bird world. Not only can they hover in place, but they can also fly backward, upside down, and at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. They beat their wings so fast, up to 80 times per second, that they need to eat almost constantly just to fuel their incredible aerobatics. Hummingbirds' hearts can beat up to 1,200 times per minute, making them some of the hardest working creatures on the planet.
Fact 8. Starfish can regenerate. Starfish don't have brains, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're simple creatures. These remarkable animals navigate using a nerve ring instead of a central brain. And here's the kicker. They can regenerate lost limbs and sometimes even regrow a whole new body from just one arm. How's that for a backup plan?
Fact 9. Flamingos get their color from food. Flamingos are not just born fabulous. They start out gray or white, and they get their famous pink color from the food they eat, primarily shrimp and algae rich in carotenoids. The more they eat, the pinker they get. It's like nature's version of a designer wardrobe. Flamingos spend a lot of time grooming to keep their feathers looking pristine, because when you're that pink, you have to stay on point.
Fact 10. Honeybees are smart. Honeybees are little geniuses, capable of far more than just making honey. Not only can they recognize human faces, but they also have a built-in GPS that helps them find the shortest route between flowers, a skill known as the traveling salesman problem in mathematics. Who knew bees were nature's mathematicians? Honeybees perform a waggle dance to communicate the exact location of food to their hive mates. Talk about precision teamwork.
Fact 11. Kangaroos can't move backward. Kangaroos can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. But here's an interesting twist. They can't move backward. Their muscular tails and hind legs are built for forward momentum, and their entire anatomy is geared toward hopping efficiently across the vast Australian landscape. Kangaroos use their powerful tails like a fifth limb, providing balance and support as they hop across the terrain.
Fact 12. Immortal jellyfish. The Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, might just hold the secret to eternal life. When faced with stress or injury, this jellyfish reverts to its juvenile form, essentially starting its life cycle over. It's the only creature known to biologically achieve immortality. This miraculous process is called transdifferentiation, and scientists are studying it to see if it could have implications for human aging.
Fact 13. Polar bears have black skin. Under all that thick white fur, polar bears actually have black skin. This helps them absorb heat from the sun, which is crucial for surviving in the freezing Arctic. Their fur is also translucent, but it appears white because it reflects visible light, camouflaging them perfectly against the ice and snow. Despite their heavy insulation, polar bears are great swimmers and spend most of their time hunting seals in the icy waters.
Fact 14. Elephants have incredible memory. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump, but they make up for it with their incredible memory. Elephants can remember water holes, migration paths, and even other elephants they haven't seen for decades. Their social bonds are as strong as their memories. Elephants are known to mourn their dead and revisit the places where loved ones passed away.
And that wraps up our 14 fascinating facts about animals. We want to hear from you. Which animal fact surprised you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Factastic 7, and until next time, stay curious.
If you enjoyed these incredible insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts.